Isn't that what any sensible person would do? Fluella yawned a big yawn.
Lenny egy nagyon lusta és nagyon rendes.
Favorite pajamas. I was just about to settle down for a...
Betakarózott és nagyot ásított. Mert elég fáradt volt.
Who was usually in bed around this time, didn't...
Poppy the tiger was sitting out in her garden, wearing her favorite sunglasses. Exhausted. As Mr. Johnson spake, Tootie... Normally, Mr. Johnson would wave and say hello. And as he yawned a big yawn, Mr. Johnson realized it was a pair of eyes.
Lenny the Oct,
said Lenny. Wee Reg yawned a big yawn. Even lazy Lenny the Octopus offered to help.